Hey guys, just to come on the elements of weather. We already started seeing various elements of weather such as temperature, precipitation, humidity, and atmospheric pressure. So in this video, we're going to see winds. Wind basically this is the movement of air masses on the Earth's surface. Uh, Heated air expands, becomes less dense, and it rises up. Now the cool air is the one that contracts, then becomes denser, and then it sinks down. Now when this air sinks, its pressure increases because it is compressed, but when the air rises, its pressure decreases because its molecules are spread over a large surface. Now, as the areas from where the heated air is rising are the ones that are called the areas of low pressure, while the areas in which low air is sinking are the ones that are called areas of high pressure. Now, usually there is a movement of air from the high pressure to the low pressure areas, which is caused by the difference in the heating of air over different parts of the Earth's surface. Now, the air that moves from a region of high pressure to the one of low pressure is what is called wind. So basically, wind this is the air in motion from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. You see the types of wind movements. Basically, there are mainly two types of wind or air movements, which are sea breeze and the land breeze. Now, starting with the sea breeze, uh, uh, this can be experienced as during the day, the land usually is warmer than the sea, and the air pressure on the land is lower than that of the sea. Now, therefore, the air blows from the sea to the land. This kind of air movements or wind that is from the sea to the land is what is called the sea breeze. As you can see in the diagram that illustrates the sea breeze as the winds blow from the sea to the land. Since during the day the land is usually warmer than the sea. So as we have said that the air pressure on the land is lower than that of the sea. So the wind moves from the place of high pressure to the place of low pressure. So the air moves uh, from the sea to the land. So that's how the sea breeze occurs. Let's see the land breeze. Land breeze during the night, the land is cooler than the sea, and there is low pressure on the sea. Now, therefore, wind blows from the land to the sea, since due to the pressure differences, so the wind blows from the land to the sea. Now, this air movement is what we call the land breeze, as the diagram that shows the land breeze. You see there is rise of warm air, and as the rising air is cooled from clouds, it flows from the sea to the land, and after some time the cooler air sinks in, and then the sinking air splits along the surface, then gets back to the sea during the other time. So those basically are the two types of air movements or wind movements, which are the sea and the land breeze. So thank you for listening. I hope it's clear. Talk more about wind in our next video. For this video, I've talked about the concept of wind and the two types of air or wind movements. Thank you.